Number 8, find the surface area and volume of the figure to the right here, round to the nearest tenth. So we're going to take this in 3 sections. We're going to find this cone here, the cylinder, and then another cone. So beginning with the surface area. For a cone, the surface area is pi r slant height. So this is going to be pi, the radius we can see is 12, slant height is 26. Now let's find the other cone down here is going to be another pi r l. So pi, our radius is again 12, nothing's changed, it's still all centered around the cylinder here with a radius of 12. The slant height here is 32. Now we're going to add the cylinder. The formula for surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. So we're going to add 2 pi, radius 12, and the height of the cylinder is 15. So altogether, the total surface area is going to be 1,056 pi meters squared. Now, for the volume, let's begin with the cones again. The volume, so the formula for volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared height. So it's 1/3 area of the base times the height. So let's begin with the top. 1/3 pi radius squared. Now the height we need to calculate. So I'm going to make a line here representing the height. We know this is 12. We know this is 26 meters. So I'm going to do a quick Pythagorean theorem to find the missing height here. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we know that 12 squared plus b squared equals 26 squared. 676. 644. So b squared equals 532. So if we take the square root of 532, it's going to equal about 23.1. So this height here is 23.1. Now let's go ahead and do the same because we're going to need to find the height of this cone down here as well. We know that the radius is also 12, so we're going to take a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we know 12 plus b squared equals 32 squared. So 12 squared plus b squared equals 32 squared. 144. So it's 1,024. So b squared equals 880. And the square root of 880 is 29.7. So now let's go ahead and add the other cone here, another 1/3 pi r squared h. So the radius has remained 12. That hasn't changed here for this cone. The height is now our new calculated one of 29.7 for this second cone. Then finally we're going to add the volume of the cylinder here in the middle. The formula for volume of a cylinder is area of the base times height, or pi r squared times height. So plus pi radius squared, and we know the height of the cylinder is 15. So now we can add all 3 of these, the 2 cones and the cylinder, and we will get a volume of approximately 14,737.3 meters cubed.